A new mobile health unit from Coplin Health Systems is rolling into Parkersburg, bringing care directly to neighborhoods where getting to a clinic isn't always easy. Health leaders say the mobile unit is designed for people who may face transportation issues, tight schedules, or other barriers that can delay doctor visits. Coplin Health Systems says it now has 2 mobile units, expanding its reach beyond traditional brick-and-mortar locations. The unit will be stationed at Parkersburg Fire Station number 2, thanks to a partnership with the city and Mayor Tom Joyce. Coplin says it plans to be there the 2nd and 4th of each month, giving residents consistent repeat access to providers. This isn't just a single service stop. Coplin's Chief Operations Officer, Tracy Martin, says the mobile unit can handle multiple types of care for multiple age groups right where people live.
We can do primary care, we can do behavioral health, we also have dental services, so we cover all ages and all aspects of health care, and the mobile unit is set up really nicely to do those things in the neighborhood that people are living in, so that they don't have to get it, find a ride to get to a doctor's office to be seen.
Martin says the unit can also take walk-in style visits for urgent care needs like colds, flu, or stomach issues during scheduled hours. Behavioral health therapists will also be available for people looking to talk through mental health concerns. For payment, Coplin says staff can collect insurance information on site, and for people without insurance, they'll work with patients using a free for-service scale. Martin says the goal is to add more community stops in the future.